In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix screen tearing or stuttering on your PS5. So this is how I fixed it myself. I firstly went into settings here on my PS5, and then I scrolled down and I clicked on screen and video, as you can see. So click right here and then video output right here. So you will most likely be able to fix it almost right away. If you have the VRR here, you can just click on it and set this one to automatic. So you can see mine actually doesn't support VRR, unfortunately, but if you do, you will be able to fix it. I mean, most likely right away, to be completely honest with you. You are very lucky if you actually have that option. But yeah, it's not going to be so for all of us, unfortunately. So sometimes what you need to do as well, this can sometimes work. It worked for me at least, so try this. So go into System, System Software, and then System Software Update and Settings. And if you do have some type of update, you can see it says checking for me, but if you have like a new update, you need to click right here and click on update using internet. So I did this, and yeah, for me it actually worked after that. So try this and hopefully you will be able to fix it as well.